Hello student, today you are going to know about the test cross and back cross. So let me write about the test cross and back cross. First talk about test cross. So by this test cross, what you are going to test or what you are going to diagnose. So by this test cross, you can find out the genotypic expression of the unknown. To find out the genotypic, if you find out the genotypic, obviously you can find out the phenotypic as well. Phenotypic expression of unknown by crossing with homozygous recessive. Homozygous recessive. Now, suppose let's start from the monohybrid cross. Suppose that unknown solution is capital T, and some unknown solution may be capital T, small t, and unknown will be capital T, unknown will be small t, small t. So in all the crosses, you can cross with homozygous recessive. Suppose that homozygous recessive you have taken small t, small t. Here also you have taken small t, small t. So let's do the crossing. So from here, obviously, the gamete will form capital T, capital T. From here also two number of gamete will form. So if you will do crossing, what will happen? Let's see. Here you can write male, female. Here you can write capital T, capital T. Here will be small t, small t, capital T, small t, capital T, small t, capital T, small t, capital T, small t. So if you find out the ratio will be 1, 2, 3, 4. The ratio will be 4:0. So in case of F1, if the unknown is capital T, then the ratio will be 4:0. So let's find out what will be the ratio in this case. So in this case, the gamete will be capital T and small t. That gamete is containing capital T allele, and this gamete is containing small t allele, and they have separated by the law of segregations as per the Mendel's law. And from here also small t, small t. So let's do the crossing. So here you have seen another pattern of ratio. Capital T, small t, small t, small t, capital T, small t, capital T, small t, small t, small t, small t, small t. Here you will see 2:2 ratio, isn't it? So capital T, small t, capital T, small t. So 2 capital T, small t will be there, and here will be small t, small t. So that is, if you simplify it, here will be 1:1 ratio. So you have noticed or not, the ratio has changed. So here 4:0 and 1:1. So let's see what will be the pattern of the ratio in case of this one. So here also small t, small t, small t, small t, small t, small t. So let's do the crossing. So let's see what patterns of ratio will come in this case. So male, female, small t, 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 and the ratio will be 0:4, isn't it? So if in the questions, if the questions will come from the lower question to upper questions like this, suppose if in a crossing you will get 1:1 ratio, then what will be the unknown? Then the unknown will be capital T, small t. That means what? Heterozygous dominant. If in a crossing, if you will get 4:0 ratio in F1 generations, so what will be the unknown? The unknown will be homozygous dominant. And same only as like this one, if you will get 0:4 ratio in F1 generations, in case of monohybrid cross, the unknown will be homozygous recessive. So by this test cross, you can find out the genotypic expression of unknown. So if you have understood the genotypic expression, so easily you can find out the phenotypic also. So this one will be tall, this one will be the tall, and this one will become dwarf. So I think you have understood. Now we are going to know about the backcross. Backcross is for what? Backcross is to improve the breed, to improve the breeds, or you can say it is actually helpful for recovering the desirable parental traits also. Now in this case, that you can do cross with homozygous dominant as well as per your requirement by the homozygous recessive parents, you can say, isn't it? This will be homozygous dominant and homozygous recessive. That choosing of homozygous dominant and homozygous recessive, it is up to the desirable traits. Okay. you can notice or not, see that homozygous recessive was actually used in case of test cross, isn't it? That homozygous recessive was used in case of test cross. So see, so that is why we can say all test cross are backcross, but all backcross are not test cross. See here, if how it has proved, because see, this is also part of backcross, this is also part of backcross. So if you do the backcross by the homozygous dominant, yes it is backcross, but it is not under test cross. Now let's do one simple crossing. Suppose you have dwarflet, what you need in F1 generation, all the offspring supposed to have tall. So what you will choose? Obviously, as per law of dominant, you will choose that homozygous dominant. So homozygous dominant will be capital T, so that in offsprings, so that in case of F1 generation, all the offsprings what will have, all the offsprings will become heterozygous dominant, isn't it? Capital T, small t, small t, capital T, small t, capital T, small t, capital T, small t, capital T, small t. So here you have noticed or not? Here all the offsprings are tall. So this is actually improvement of the breeds, isn't it? So dwarf plant became into tall plant. So that the concept of the break cross actually improve the breeds or to have desired traits. So you are designing the traits to have tall in all the offsprings, isn't it? So by this only I think we have understood about the test cross and back cross. Thank you.